Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure location services is enabled and your iPhone and app are updated. This prevents permission errors and stale map data. Next, open your chosen offline-capable map app and sign in if required. In the app, search the area or zoom to the region you need. Once visible, look for the app's download or offline maps option and tap download. This begins fetching tiles and routing data. Do this over Wi-Fi to save mobile data and ensure a complete download. Once the download begins, you refine what gets stored so offline navigation works. You choose between tile sizes or draw a custom rectangle to cover exactly where you'll travel. Smaller areas download faster. Make sure to select higher quality only if you have space, because it improves offline search and building detail but uses more storage. Also, enable offline routing and transit data if the app offers it, since that prepares turn-by-turn directions and stops without cellular service. You finish by testing the offline map before you leave. Switch to airplane mode and run a route to confirm tiles, routing, and the compass update. If routes fail or tiles appear blank, check available storage and re-download the area at a different quality. Incomplete downloads are the most common issue. If problems persist, force quit and reopen the app, toggle location services off and on, and then re-download. This sequence clears permission glitches and ensures reliable offline GPS navigation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.